Hi friends! In this video, we will discuss about human hair wigs with bangs. A wig with a bang is a wig designed with a bang that falls over your forehead. Generally, the bang on the wig comes longer, giving you the option to trim it accordingly. So let's find out everything about human hair wigs with bangs. Why you should choose wigs with bangs. Ever hear of the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills? The iconic show's stars are known for their eye-catching hair. Lisa Rinna Spices boast a pixie shag with all sorts of adjustments for each episode. However, the television diva is always rocking one thing: stellar bangs. You can still have great bangs without being a total diva. There are many softer options as well. Long side bangs that gently kiss the forehead are a popular option for women seeking subtle bang additions. They can be short enough to act as the focus point of your style, but they can boast enough length to tuck behind your ear. Now how's that for flexibility? Need more reasons to get bangs? They are an ideal way to shake things up. New job? Traveling somewhere for a long time? Ending a relationship? Whatever it is, bangs can act as a subtle changing of the seasons for your personal appearance and self-perception. Does the question, "Are bangs in style?" sound familiar? Newsflash, bangs have been involved in fashion for the past 100 years, and they're still extremely fashionable to this day. Plus, it's easier than ever to add bangs to your look without the commitment or risk of a bad haircut. Bangs today and gone tomorrow. How to take bangs on a test drive. A set of clip-on bangs is a safe way to find out if bangs are for you. They can easily be clipped onto your hairline and will easily change your style without the shears. Clip-in bangs typically come in a variety of colors, which makes finding your favorite shade a piece of cake. Some are made of human hair, and some are made of synthetic hair. Regardless, it will surely feel just like your own hair once installed. The great thing is that you can trim and change the style of your clip-on bangs, just as if it were your actual hair. Except there are no consequences in this case. Another option at your disposal is to purchase a full wig with bangs already cut in. This is a smart move if your hair is short and you don't want to wait for it to grow out to add clip-on bangs. Even better, it gives you the ease of going between short to long in an instant. Hair International offers a wide variety of human hair wigs with bangs, hairpieces, and clip-on. It is in your hair's best interest to seek the guidance of a trained professional in alternative hair to find the best fit for your lifestyle and budget. For additional information on wigs and hairpieces, contact us today. We look forward to serving you and creating the hair you've always wanted.